Greetings, dear viewers. I am Mrs. Vyani, your economics professor. In this video, we will learn about the supply, law of supply, and the determinants of supply. So, supply means the total stock of goods in existence, amount of goods offered for sale per unit of time, or the commodity offer for sale at a price. Supply may be defined as a schedule which shows the various amount of a product which a producer is willing to and able to produce and make available for sale in the market at each specific price in a set of possible price during some given period. And supply depends on scarcity as demand depends on usefulness. If a commodity is wanted by everyone, then it becomes scarce. We will learn about what is law of supply. The law of supply states that an increase in price leads to increase in quantity supplied. Decrease in price leads to decrease in quantity supplied. So other things being constant, the price of a commodity has a direct influence on the quantity supplied. As the price of a commodity rises, its supply is extended. As the price falls, its supply is contracted. We can learn this law from the supply schedule. So the price is measured in rupees and the quantity supplied is measured in units. When the price goes on like 1 rupee, 2 rupee, 3 rupee till 5 rupees it goes on, then the quantity supplied goes like this, 12 units to 60 units. That is, when the price is 1 rupee, the producer is able to give 12 units, and if the price is 5 rupees, the producer is able to give 60 units. That is because of profit motive. To earn more profit, the producer is able to give more units, more quantity to supply when the price increases. Supply of different quantities placed on the market at different prices. Supply is also related to time, place, and price like demand. The supply schedule represents the functional relationship between the quantity supplied and the prices. We can apply the schedule in the graph. So we can get the supply curve like this, upward sloping, positively sloping supply curve. The quantity supplied is measured on the x-axis and the price is measured on the y-axis. When the price is 1 rupee, the producer is able to give 10 units for supply. Like that it goes on. When the price is 5 rupees, the producer is able to give 60 units. So this shows that when the price increases, quantity supplied will also increase. When the price decreases, quantity supplied will also decrease. So there is a positive relationship or direct relationship between the price and the quantity supplied. Then there are many factors affecting the supply, or we can say determinants of supply. First one is number of sellers. Greater the number of sellers, greater will be the quantity of a product or service supplied in a market and vice versa. Increase in number of sellers will increase supply and shift the supply curve when more firms enter into the industry. The number of sellers increases, thus increasing the supply. Next one is state of technology. Improvement in technology enables more efficient production of goods and services, thus reducing the production cost and increasing the profit. As a result, supply is increased and supply curve is shifted rightwards. Since technology in general rarely decreases, therefore, it is needless to say that decrease of technology reduces the supply. Then cost of production. Since most private companies' goal is profit maximization, higher production cost will lower the profit. Thus, it's hinder the supply. Factors affecting production cost are input prices, wage rate, government regulations and taxes, etc. Prices of related goods. Firms which are able to manufacture related products will shift their production to a product the price of which increases substantially related to other products, thus causing a reduction of supply of the products which were produced before. Price expectations. Change in expectations of suppliers about future price of the product or service may affect their current supply. However, unlike other determinants of supply, the effect of suppliers' expectations on supply is difficult to generalize. They will employ more resources to increase their output, and this may increase current supply as well. Then, natural factors. Supply of goods is also affected by seasonal factors. This particularly applies to food products as some fruits or vegetables are available in plenty during some season, and in another season there is a shortage. Labor trouble. The strikes, lockouts and other labor troubles affects the production and decrease the quantity of supply. The next one is government policies. The different policies of government such as fiscal policy and industrial policy has a greater impact on the supply of a product. For example, increase in tax on excise duties would decrease the supply of a product. If the tax is low, then the supply would increase. So these are the determinants or the factors affecting the supply. I hope you all can understand what is supply, law of supply, then determinants of supply. Thank you.